Hello folks, just received a packages from AliExpress and just want to share. It might be any good to you as well. I got all of them for a very fair price, and I'm gonna drop the links later on for yourselves if you want them. So my kayak is completely blank, so I do need a good few bits and pieces for it. So it is expensive for me to get, to get from a retailer here in Ireland. Just gonna share, take it or leave it. First of all, it's rod strings. One sec, I'm gonna show you how to look in the package like this. Okay, and this is the actual, it's a bungee string with a bit of velcro and a clip on the other side, so easy to clip, unclip, whatever. I will check how much does it stretch. Okay, try to put somewhere stable. Okay, and okay, all the length are perfect. I'm gonna take the half, and yeah, I think that's plenty of space when fishing. The velcro is very strong. Might need to, no, it's sewed in. The bungee is sewed into the velcro. Velcro itself is very strong, so should be no issues with that. I got 3 packages like this. Each cost €2.60 something, 2.63 I think. So for 8 something I got 3 of them. Another thing is probably more important to me was a moment. So I got these Starport. They're not original Ray Blazer, but I checked one before taking a video, and it does fit perfectly into the pre-made nuts. As you see, I have these on the Kayak original ones, and they fit perfectly. Not sure if the screws are stainless steel. Might change them, bolts, not screws, but might change them. But they look solid. Now, probably the price would be more interesting on that. The price was over €13 for 4 of them, which I don't know. Even if you have a 3D printer, or if you have if you ask someone to print them, it can be for the price. I got like 4 of them for less than €14. So what is it? $3.50 each. It can be, and it looks good quality. It looks really good quality. Strong. Also, I got another couple bits as these yokes. Okay, and also these fit perfectly inside. Very strong, so you can make anything. You can make anything, for yourself. Like modify the things. and put in the screws inside, or bolts, I mean bolts, and add up anything. So yeah, very happy. 4 of them, 13 something bungees, 260 each. These are also like 260 each. I'm gonna put up links later on, and thanks for attention. I'm gonna put up these links for you. Thank you.